Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wishing you all a happy Sunday. WILLIAMSJI MAVELI with you. Flowery Queen is one of my published books from year 2022. I wish to recite a short poem from this book. Mind Bird. The mind bird said to herself, "Never cry in a state of misery." The frozen wind cut on above. The river flows unknowingly. There was no leaf on the tree, no flower upon her cheeks, and little motion in the air. Only the ocean waves sound. The sky is vast like your face. There was no beauty spotted. Only the lips tremble in grief. Only the teardrops in eyes. A short poem from this book, published by Evans Publications, Flowery Queen. The cover page of the book is blessed by Shweta Maurya, who is my ambassador for all the books. She is currently based in Bangalore in India. Recently, she had won prestigious 2 awards from the Singapore Beauty Pageant event. Congratulations to Shweta Maurya. Good day to all. WILLIAMSJI signing off. Bye.